Hey guys, Aaron McNally here, the Handy Therapist. Today I'm going to show you a pretty simple little project. My shed door handle, when we bought the house, was broken. As you can see, there's nothing to really grab onto, and we didn't even get the keys for it. So, I'm just going to replace this guy. Pretty simple little guy. Ordered this off Amazon for about 15 bucks. Comes with new keys, new handle, and a little bit more sturdy lock mechanism than this little thing. So that's what we will replace here. Alright. So what we'll need, kind of already figured it out, but we'll need an Allen wrench here, drill, and a few bits. Basically all we're going to have to do is take off the old one, put on the new one. Pretty simple little project, but I'll show you how to do it. Alright, let's get to it. So, first part we have to do is just take off the old one. Put it in reverse. Doing this all one-handed isn't the most simple thing. And looks like that's a Phillips. Bit. Take off this little rubber cap. This little tension piece. This guy, another little tension piece, so I'm just gonna get a hammer to hammer that guy in. Alright. There it is. Old one's out. Take that guy out. Alright, so time to put the new one in. So here's my new one. Put this guy. Just insert it there. Get the screws. So put the top screw in. Now to get this bottom one in. Alright, and it's unlocked, so just screw it on in. So, screwed in the bottom one. Now all we gotta do is put that plate on. So, loosen this little setting screw. Put it on there and tighten it down. Pretty darn simple. That's it. Tighten that down. Should work like a charm. There we go. Works good. Alright. Now you know how to put a shed handle on a shed. Pretty simple project, 15 bucks in about 5 minutes. So now I've got a lockable shed and nobody can get into my stuff. Till next time, keep fixing stuff.